everyone. I am your teacher Freeha. Today you're going to learn numbers with me. We are going to do numbers from 1 till 60. So let's do writing practice with me. Okay everyone, let's revise the number with me. Open page number 10. Now revise the number with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now I'm going to teach you the concept of zero. You all have to repeat after me. Zero means nothing. Zero means nothing. When there is no object around, we say zero. But we say zero. So can you tell me how many apples are on the tree? Is there apple on the tree? No. There are 0 apples on the tree. Well done. Okay, now let's do the reading with me. We have done reading till 9. Now after 9 it comes 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This is the family of 10. So what comes after 19? It's 20. 20, 20. We are going to do family of 20. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Hope you all are revising after me. Okay, what comes after 29? It's 30. Let's start the family of 30. 30, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. What comes after 39? It's 40. Let's start the family of 40. 40, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. What comes after 49? It's 50, 50, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. It's quite fun. So what comes after 59? It's 60. So we have reached till 60. Today we have to do till 1 till 60. So the counting is done. Let's do the writing practice. Okay, my dear ones, let's do the writing practice. First, you have to listen me the formation, how to write the formation. So first of all, we are going to write number 1. Make a standing line, small slant at the top and a small slipping line at the bottom like this. This is number 1. Now we have to write number 2. For number 2, we will start from here, make a curve, slant, slipping line. For number 3, we will start from here, make a small curve, then a big curve like this. Writing number 4, first make a standing line, slipping line, then a small standing line like this. Right. For writing number 5, make a slipping line first, then a standing line and big curve like this and touch the bottom line. For 6, we will make a slant, touch the bottom line and then we will make a big circle like this. For number 7, first make a slipping line and then slant, touch the bottom line. For number 8, make a small circle at the top and then a little bit bigger circle at the bottom. For writing number 9, first we have to start from here, make a curve like A, touch the top line and come down, make a standing line. For writing 10, again write number 1 at the left side and number 0 at the right side. After 10, here comes number 11. 1, 1, 11. Repeat after me. 1, 1, 11. After 11, here comes number 12. 1, 2, 12. After 12, here comes number 13. 1, 3, 13. What comes after number 13? It's 14. 1, 4, 14. You can see my formation. After 14, here comes number 15. 1, 5, 15. What comes after 15? It's 16. And here comes number 17. 1, 7, 17. Now here comes number 18. 1, 8, 18. After 18, what comes? Here is number 19. Now, which family starts after 19? It's 20's family. So, we will write 2 at the left side and 0 at the right side. It's number 20. So, we will write the family of 20 here. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. You all have to repeat after me, my dear ones. 2, 3, 23. So, can you guess what comes after 23? Here comes 24. So, who is going to guess the next number? The next number will be 2, 5, 25. The next number will be 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. Okay, 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. And what comes after 29? 30. 3, 0, 30. Now we are going to write the family of 30. 3, 1, 31. 3, 2, 32. 3, 3, 33 is 1, isn't it? 3, 4, 34. 3, 5, 35. 3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. 3, 8, 38. We must have to follow the formation. What comes after 38? It's 3, 9, 39. And after 39, here comes 4, 0, 40. Now we will start writing family of 40. 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. Who is going to guess the next number? It's 43. Well done. The next number will be 4, 4, 44. Well done. Then comes 4, 5, 45. Then comes 4, 6, 46. 4, 7, 47. 4, 8, 48. 4, 9, 49. 5, 0, 50. 5, 0, 50. Now let's write the family of 50. 5, 1, 51. 5, 2, 52. 5, 3, 53. 5, 4, 54. 5, 5, 55. 5, 6, 56. 5, 7, 57. 5, 8, 58. 5, 9, 59. And the last number will be 6060. So, well done everyone. We have done counting from 1 till 60. Okay, I will join you in the next lecture. Well done. Allah Hafiz.